I just found an Instagram page that's growing purely from posting luxury car cover matting videos. 15,000 followers from one single niche. And honestly, when you actually watch these videos, you completely understand why. The visuals are incredibly satisfying, the cars look insanely premium, and the whole concept of watching a luxury car get wrapped or uncovered is the kind of thing that stops your thumb mid-scroll without you even realizing it happened. This is also one of the newest niches in the market right now, which means there's still real space to get in early before everyone else catches on. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create videos exactly like this in just 3 minutes. Let's get into it.
I've already built a master prompt specifically for this niche, and you'll find the link to it in the description below. Go grab it first before anything else. Once you've got it, open the prompt and copy the entire thing carefully. Then open ChatGPT. The free version works perfectly fine for this. Paste the full master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. Within just a few seconds, ChatGPT gives you 10 different luxury car cover mounting video ideas to choose from. All of them are ready to use straight away. But here's a little trick I like to use. Instead of just picking from the first 10, type more into the prompt box and hit send. ChatGPT will immediately generate a whole new set of fresh video ideas on top of the original ones. This is really useful because it means you're not stuck using the same concepts that everyone else following this niche is already posting. You can keep generating new ideas every single time and always have something fresh to work with. For this video, I'm going with number 15 from the second batch. I just copied the title and pasted it into the prompt box and hit send. And just like that, GPT generates an extremely detailed video prompt for that specific concept. The level of detail in this prompt is really solid. It covers everything you need to actually create the video properly without having to fill in any gaps yourself. Now copy that entire video prompt. We're taking it straight into the next tool. Open Google Flow and select the video option. Click on Settings and set your aspect ratio to 9:16. That's the vertical format you want for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. For the video model, select OmniFlash and set your video duration to 10 seconds. Now paste the full video prompt you copied from ChatGPT directly into the prompt box and hit Generate. Give it just a few seconds to process. And there it is. The luxury car looks premium, the cover transformation looks incredibly clean, and the whole video has that satisfying high-end feel that makes people want to watch it again. That's genuinely the complete workflow. ChatGPT writes the prompt, Google Flow generates the video, 3 minutes from start to finish.
Now let's try another example. Go back to ChatGPT, and this time I'm going to choose the Range Rover. All the steps will be exactly the same, so there's no need for me to explain everything again. Simply copy the title, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will generate the complete prompt for you automatically. Once the prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Google Flow. Now just wait a few seconds and that's it. Your next video will be ready. And here's what makes this niche so powerful for building a channel. You don't have to start from scratch every single time you want to make a new video. Once you have the master prompt, just open ChatGPT, type a number or ask for more ideas, copy the new prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and generate. Different car models, different cover materials, different colors, different environments, different lighting, different concepts entirely. Every single combination gives you a completely new video without you having to think up anything from scratch. That means you can post consistently, keep your content feeling fresh, and build up a library of videos without burning out trying to come up with new ideas every day. This niche is new, the competition is still low, and the content style is visually strong enough to grow a real audience on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. If you want to get into it before it gets saturated, now is the time to start. The workflow is simple, it's fast, and everything you need is in the description below. Go grab the master prompt, follow these steps, and post your first video today. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next viral AI niche before it blows up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.